Good afternoon or good morning in Canada. This is Africa. We are in the afternoon here. I'm presenting this afternoon on this title here is Sustainable Solution to the Role of Law Enforcement and Judicial Systems in curbing road traffic crashes. Lessons from City of Tshwane, South Africa. I am Professor Olutola. This research is research conducted by my doctoral student. He already graduated, but we are just presenting part of the findings this afternoon. Like I said, this is afternoon in Africa. The name of the student is Makalo Taumang. The co-supervisor of the work is Dr. Bello, and Olutola, like I've mentioned here. So that is the topic we are presenting. By way of introduction and background, road traffic offenses are common in virtually all parts of the world, including USA, China, Italy, Germany, United Kingdom, to Australia, Nigeria, South Africa. That is according to research that have been done by scholars. The rate of road traffic offenses is relatively high in South Africa, particularly in the city of Tshwane. The city of Tshwane was formerly known as Pretoria, and these offenses could be attributed to actions such as failing to comply with traffic regulation, reckless driving, overspeeding, and driving under the influence of alcohol, just to mention a few. Weak enforcement of road traffic regulations and poor judicial system, among others, breed lawlessness, particularly in the area of road traffic management in South Africa. In the city of Tshwane, little is known about the effective system of curbing traffic crashes. This study conducted within this area assessed both the current law enforcement and judicial systems in strengthening the partnership between the two institutions in terms of road traffic system management. That was the background to the study. By way of literature review, in South Africa, the National Road Traffic Act 93 of 1996 as amended, with the South African Police Act, Service Act as amended, and the South African Police Service Amendment Act empowered municipal metropolitan police officers to enforce road traffic safety laws. The Tshwane Metropolitan Police Management was formally launched on 23rd February 2002. Staff members were drawn from the former 4 Traffic Safety and Security Department from Pretoria, comprising of Pretoria Central, Atterbury, Mamelodi, and Centurion. At its launch, the TMPD had 560 active Metro police officers operating with a budget of approximately 40 million and serving a population of 1.7 million people. In fact, a comparatively small complement of municipal police officers served the relevant area. It means 1 officer per 3,035 civilians. That is according to research conducted by Newham. 2 key post-1994 statutory initiatives also materialized, namely the promulgation of the Administrative Adjudication of Road Traffic Offenses, ATO, and the Road Traffic Management Corporation, RTMC, of 1999. Now, let us look at the research objective we want to achieve in this study. One, we want to investigate the role of judicial system in curbing road traffic crashes in the city of Tshwane. Two, we want to investigate the role of law enforcement in managing road traffic offense crashes in the city of Tshwane. Research questions. What is the role of judicial system in curbing road traffic crashes? Two, how does traffic law enforcers manage the road traffic crashes? And thirdly, how effective are the offenses of road traffic presented in court by law enforcement officers? Lastly, how are the incidences of road offenses managed by judicial officers? Methodology. What is our research methodology, or what methodology did we adopt in this study? This study adopted a qualitative research method. A sample of 29 participants were drawn from the city of Tshwane. The study adopted a phenomenological research design to understand the issue of interest from the participant life experience. A semi-structured interview technique was conducted to collect data, which was analyzed using thematic analysis with the aid of Atlas TI version 8. Tshwane University of Technology ethical clearance or guidelines were used for the study. In other words, we complied with ethical clearance of the university. Findings. This study found that the judicial system was neither expeditious or technically supportive regarding road offenses. That is, the court system, by their nature, technically, they are not so expeditious, and technicality sometimes frustrates administration of justice when it comes to road crashes in South Africa. The study also found that there is a poor legal training among officers regarding the performance of guilt of speed offenders. That is, when people are found guilty, the enforcement of law is always problematic by law enforcers. The study concurred that the judicial system was not very keen in handling traffic offenses merely because of its voluminous nature. Every day people commit road traffic offenses. It means the job for the law enforcers and judicial system is enormous. The volume is high. Recommendations from this study: a traffic specialized prosecution approach will deliver justice more effectively or efficiently, and this to an extent will deter non-compliance with traffic regulations and reduce road traffic crashes. Another recommendation is that proper training of traffic officers in the presentation of cases in court to get positive verdicts will be important. The traffic officers need to be trained so that they know how to present cases in court, because as it is now, traffic officers are not deeply knowledgeable in court proceedings. It makes the culprit to escape punishment. Also, an up-to-date technological equipment penalty administration system should be adopted. Again, another recommendation is that a coordinated unit that focuses on the following up on unpaid across the country needs to be adopted. Also, the implementation of ACTO is recommended based on the finding that the judicial system found road offenses overwhelming and never gave them priority. That is, the law that is there, but unfortunately, the implementation is the problem when it comes to enforcement of road traffic offenses in South Africa. Conclusion. This study concluded that implementation of administrative adjudication of road traffic offenses should be more effective. The law is there, but implementation should be more strict. This will improve the road traffic offenses rate and reduce road accident crashes. A quick acting and effective court will serve as part of the solution to curb the occurrence of road traffic crashes. The study concludes that an increase in research needs to be supported by adequate back office operations that ensure that all captured infringements are recorded and that offenders identified and penalized. Because we found that offenders, they've committed the offense, but to punish them, there are a lot of loopholes in the system. It makes them to escape infringement, the punishment. That is the end of the presentation. I thank you for listening. Thank you.